RentPackage, the free advertising online rent management platform. Sign a contract online. Manage your tenant, manage your available house, and manage your rent collection. www.rentpackage.com.
Hello everyone, I'm Puck. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a bathroom faucet and shower head. Tools and materials: wrench, shower head, faucet, rubber washer, flathead screwdriver. The faucet is clogged, so we'll have to replace it. First, turn off the water supply clockwise with a flathead screwdriver. By doing so, water won't come out. Loosen the nuts counterclockwise with a wrench. Take off the faucet. Take out the new faucet. Put rubber washer on both sides. Tighten it clockwise. If the faucet is too far from the pipe, adjust it by a wrench. Tighten it with a wrench. Finally, turn the water on with a flathead screwdriver. Check if it works properly. Screw on the shower head pipe. Put the rubber washer on the outlet. Attach the new shower head. Check if it works properly. It's done. Also, faucet and shower head are available at hardware stores. That's all for today.
This video is brought to you by RentPackage Technology.